Building a brand framework. So let's get started. The David is the father of advertising, once defined as a brand as the intangible sum of product attributes, its names, its packaging, and its price, its history, its reputation, and the way it advertise. So this is what we call the advertise. Okay, so the brand framework is the structure you can use to create your brand. It includes the four key branding elements. These four key elements are the brand existence, the brand purpose, the brand identity, and the connection to the customer. So these are the four key elements which makes up one brand framework. In this section, we will focus on the EPIC framework for creating a brand, as well as we can walk through of how to use the framework to brand a business. Okay, so let's move ahead. So there is a history of branding. The history of branding says like there are the three examples. Like first one is the brand or branding originate with cattle rancher who would brand their name or mark into their cattle so that someone could tell one ranch cattle from the another. So second is the method of distinguishing the owner or maker of a particular product becomes especially important when a farmer, craftsman, or a producer who want their good to stand out on a store shelf. So there are so many products in the store shelf, but how somebody can recognize the particular product? So if so so they come up with one idea, like they would put their name, the signature or logo on it. Over the time, consumer would come to know and trust one producer product or another. Today, we think of a branding as being much more than a product with a name on it. So, the benefits of having a brand. So, first benefit is the brand is a trusted. Second one is a brand connect through the belief. It communicate and draw into customer who share the same beliefs. Third one is a good brand is a readily recognizable. Fourth one is a benefit brand also create an ease of selection for a consumer who has had positive interaction with that brand before. Fifth benefit is the brand can also reflect the values and identity of a customer and represent a lifestyle that either they connect with or want to aspire to. Each and every brand, there is a one imaginary when we can just say a name like Louis Vuitton. So we have some imagination of the exclusivity, lifestyle, all this imagination we have created in our mindset. So sixth benefit is creating a brand foster loyalty that becomes sticky enough that your customer will follow you to new product and innovation. Another benefit is customer loyal to a brand may also have less pricing sensitivity as well. Last benefit is the finally having a strong brand is a benefit for the internal marketing team. If there is a brand, there is a very strong marketing team. They can believe on that brand also, and they can do their marketing on the behalf of their branding. So the difference between a brand and business. So these are the elements like products, the stories they tell, principle, values, connection, and what they use, logos, feeling, at location. The all the combination of this element and attributes makes a brand, makes a unique brand actually. If a business is a product creation mechanism, a brand is how business make people feel. So as you can see, these are the things that that make a brand. With this, all the combination of this. So let's get a deep dive into the EPIC framework of branding. So the EPIC framework is a process that you can use to turn business into a brand, step by step. It means making sure people know why your brand exists, what its purpose, and how it is actually uh, visually identified, and the connection you make with the customer via written communication. So as we can see, there is a EPIC framework. So E stand for existence, P stand for purpose, I stand for identity, and C stand for connection. So in the existence, the what it is means what is the existence like. So there is a thing like why your business exists and why people should care. If you have a business, so why really people do exist your business, and why people should care about your business. So like what it includes like an origin story, the including the who launched the business and when, what problem was trying to be solved, and how did the business solve it. So you have to make sure that you can just answer all the question of it, and you will get your existence. Another one is a P. P stands for purpose. The why, so what it is like why your business does and what it does. So what's your business purpose and what it is. You have to make sure and you have to make be clear in your head and your mind and in your note also your purpose and what it includes. The finished sentence, and we believe that anything we can believe that define your purpose. You have to brainstorm keywords around the ideas or topic you want to uh, care about state what your brand isn't. So make sure you can just go through it and make a sentence on top of that. And third one is identity. So identity, so what it is identity like visual look and feel. So what it includes like logos, color palettes, images, typographics, icons. There are so many things in the identity that visually look appear in front of the people. And last one is a connection. The connection is a brand voice in a written communication. So is your voice serious or funny, formal or casual, respectful or relevant, or matter of fact or enthusiastic. And vocabulary sentence linked create a person to speak to. Okay, so make sure you are if your business is so serious business, so you have to make sure to you just make a content around that, the serious content and yeah, informative contents on all those things. If your business may connect with the very funny kind of people, so you can just make sure you can create a content around the funny parts. So these are the things. So these all the things make a epic framework for branding. If you have business, if you want to make your business to a brand, use this framework very clearly and answer all of the questions and make and be clear what your business exists and purpose, identity, and correction. That makes a any business to a brand. Thank you so much.